Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, we will guide you through using Framer templates effectively. Begin by selecting a template that suits your project. Framer offers both free and paid options. Visit the Framer Templates gallery at the Framer Templates. Browse through the categories or use the search function to find a specific template. Click on the template you'd like to view more details. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. Click on the Edit button to open the design interface. Use the toolbar to modify text, images, and other elements. Framer allows you to add interactive components to your template. Navigate to the Components panel. Drag and drop elements such as buttons, forms, or sliders onto your design. Configure interactions by selecting an element and choosing Actions.